What AI is and explain its significance in today's world. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. Include learning, the acquisition of information and rules for using it, reasoning, using rules to reach approximate or definite conclusions, and self-correction. AI systems are designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. The significance of AI in today's world is profound and multifaceted. Here are some key points.
Automation. AI enables the automation of repetitive tasks, leading to increased efficiency and productivity across various industries. This allows humans to focus on more creative and strategic aspects of their work. Problem solving. AI algorithms can analyze large datasets and extract valuable insights, aiding in decision-making processes in fields like healthcare, finance, and logistics. This capability has the potential to revolutionize industries and improve outcomes. Personalization. AI powers recommendation systems and personal assistants, providing tailored experiences for users in areas such as entertainment, e-commerce, and customer service. This enhances user satisfaction and engagement. Enhanced user experience. Through natural language processing and computer vision, AI technologies enhance user interfaces, making interactions with devices and applications more intuitive and seamless. Scientific advancement. AI is instrumental in accelerating scientific research by assisting scientists in analyzing complex data, discovering patterns, and generating hypotheses. This contributes to breakthroughs in fields like medicine, climate. Addressing societal challenges. AI has the potential to address various societal challenges, including healthcare disparities, environmental sustainability, and access to education. By leveraging AI, solutions can be developed to tackle these complex issues more effectively. Overall, AI is reshaping the way we live, work, and interact with technology, and its significance will only continue to grow as advancements are made in the field. However, it also brings about ethical, social, and economic considerations that must be carefully addressed to ensure its responsible and beneficial integration into society.